This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. Private setting setback off the road with long driveway and wooded rear views. Great floor plan and move-in condition. Many highlights and special features: newer HVAC 2016, upgraded stainless steel appliances include double oven range, dishwasher, and a LG Inverter Linear Refrigerator. Bellawood flooring throughout first floor except kitchen and sunroom, which have LVF. There is elegant trim and moldings throughout the home. The great room features a double-height ceiling gas fireplace and opens to dining room. Large eat-in kitchen with great granite counter space and under-counter lighting plus an island. The first floor primary suite has large windows with wooded views. The garage features a garage door screen and has a heavy-duty garage door opener. The neighborhood features recreation area with pool, playground, clubhouse, etc. Neighborhood also has a large pond for kayaking or canoeing, pickleball courts, and a dog park. Located near Kidsburg playground and shopping centers. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.